Hello everyone, good day. I am Romer V. Lebres, LPT. Now my topic is how to add ins at AI apps in using Microsoft Word. So let's start. So first is you open your um, Microsoft Word, then here in the upper part of the Microsoft Word, you will see mm, add-ins, no? In the arrow, the red arrow. Then click it. After you click it, this will be the image. Then you can choose if what application you want to use. No, for this one, I will use ChatGPT for MS Word. No, then click Add. After you click Add, make sure you are connected to um, Wi-Fi or internet. And after that, this will be the image. Then click Allow and continue. After you click it, this will be the image. Then um, select country and just answer this question. Then click next. After that, just click next. Then get started. After that, this will be the image. Um, then, for example, you are trying to um, your lesson is to try to create an application letter. Then, just like that, for the ChatGPT, prompt it like create an application letter here in the red arrow. And then, if you are done creating your prompt, then just click create text. Then, after you click the create text, this will uh, here in the arrow. This is the um, AI works. This is the um, output of the AI when you prompt this create an application letter template. Mm. This is a sample of the application letter template which the AI provided uh, your add-ins in the Microsoft Word. With the use of AI, it is um, easier and okay. Then if you want to add other um, application in the arrow, this will be your already installed application, your add-ins. Then if you want to search another add or application, just click here in the red arrow. Then it will then the next is the two red arrow, just click add if you want to add um, another add-in application to your Microsoft Word. And that's all. Thank you. Yeah. That's all. Thank you.